Unlock 24/7 access to your finances and a world of convenience by mastering Citigroup's online banking registration today. Let's get you set up with Citigroup Online Banking first. Navigate to the Citigroup website. You'll typically find a sign-on or login area. Look for an option that says New to Citi, Register, or Create a User ID. Click on the registration link to begin. You'll be asked to provide your account number and your social security number or taxpayer identification number. Ensure you have this information readily available. You might also be prompted to answer a security question you'd set up previously. Next, you'll need to create your unique user ID. This is what you'll use to log in. Choose something memorable but also secure. Then, you'll create a strong password. Citigroup will usually provide a password strength indicator to help you make sure your password includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Review the terms and conditions presented. You'll need to agree to these to proceed. Once you've read and accepted them, click the Submit or Complete Registration button. Congratulations, you've successfully registered for Citigroup Online Banking. You can now log in anytime, anywhere, to manage your accounts, transfer funds, pay bills, and access a suite of powerful financial tools. Enjoy the convenience and control that Citigroup Online Banking offers. For more helpful tutorials, be sure to subscribe to our channel.